Welcome to another video tutorials on website development. In this our tutorial, we're going to look at how to develop websites with WordPress. So a full website, and we're going to develop with WordPress. WordPress is a world builder platform that you can use to develop websites without writing any line of code. Of course, you can add some codes to make it look more customized or make it look how you want it to be, but WordPress actually gives you that kind of flair whereby you wouldn't need to go through that kind. So these are some of the elements you're going to need in trying to work around your website. So first of all, you're going to need a domain name. Domain name is like the name of your website, like example.com or google.com. That's the domain name of the website. Now, the domain name could cost, let's say, about $1 to $10, depending on which um per year, depending on which platform, or it could be much higher depending on the platform you're working at. Some could go as high as $100 and all that. So the hosting website will determine how much your domain name is going to be. And there is also hosting, so you need to also get a hosting. Hosting could be the list, could be about around $15 or less, depending on the hosting platform you want to host, or it could be even be more. So you can search through it to get a more appropriate and cool one. Then the next one is to install your WordPress. Installing your WordPress, you're going to look at how to install a WordPress. And after installing your WordPress, then you create your website. So in creating your website, you can get customized templates that you can customize it to suit your need. So that is the five major steps you need to get ready to get your website ongoing. Now let's look at how to install our WordPress and let's start developing our website. Now, in installing your website, your WordPress, you will need to go to a platform. We're using this platform called Bitnami. Bitnami is a cool platform you can use. You can download your WordPress from. It gives you the whole WordPress stack with all installed platforms. So you realize that when you open to the website, it gives you access to your WordPress and gives you three options. Either you do on cloud or in containers. You also have on computers. So if you want to do it on your computer, that means you're doing it offline. You can download it from here and you can straight away work on and get your WordPress started. So when you scroll down here, you have download installers for Bitnami WordPress stack, and here you see for Windows version and Apple, or if you're on Mac, and Linux version as well. So this is a 64-bit. So if your system is 32-bit, you need to download the one that suits your system. So mine is 64, so I'll download this one. So all you need to do is to click this button here, and straight away the download will come up. So I've already downloaded, so I have it here. So I'm going to install it, and we'll go through the installation process together. It's not that difficult. It's quite cool, and it's very simple. So it takes a little while to get it installed, and so you can go through the few documentation stage where you can get, they have single tier and they have multiple tiers, so you can do multiple WordPress websites or single websites, but you need to first of all know how to configure them well before you can do the multiple. So for starter, it's good that you do the single so that it will be easy. So this point you brings you a little logo that says select language, and from there you get to this stage, you click on next. Then you see these two components selected. You don't need to do anything here, just click next. And at this point you need to, if you've already installed WordPress, it means you're going to have this folder there, so you need to either delete it or you need to replace it. But if not, then you just need leave it like it to straight away install like that. So we click next, and when you get here, this is where you put in your real name. So you must put in your real name for developing your website over here. Then, so I wouldn't like you to see my real name. So at this point, I will skip it. Okay, so at this point, you need to continue on and give your website a name. So you can decide to give it any name you want so that your website will go on. So let's decide to give our website our new website. Yeah, our new website. So that will be the name of our website. You can put in the name you want. And this part is where you need to do a little configuration. So you need to select this and you need to put in email, or you can also customize. But this Gmail is like more SMTP, that is more customized to WordPress. So you can use that. So if you select that and you click next, and here you can put in your Gmail. So you can just put in your Gmail in here, and then you just click next. Okay. So let me put in my Gmail. You don't necessarily need to put the right one. You can just put in any Gmail. That is just to get, you see that they said this data is installed in the computer application configuration. So for this reason, it's recommended that you don't use your personal email credential. So you can just use your anything, and you're good. All right. So at this point, it's necessary that you don't tick this because it leads to your cloud section. So you untick that and you click finish, and you need to go next. And at this point, installation is going to continue until it's done. So the installation could take like a little while. So it's necessary you give it some time for it to go on. So at this point, we're going to skip it, and it's going to be a little bit. Okay, guys, welcome back. So now we've installed our WordPress, and we need to now launch WordPress stock. So we need to just click finish, and it will load up and open our browser for us. It will show us where our files are. If it does not do that, you can go to your drive C. So you can go to your drive C, wherever it is, and you can go and search for it. You realize that it's stored here as Bitnami. So when you click on, you realize it gives you the WordPress files. You can come and open it, and you click on this menu here that shows um, manager windows, this file. You click on this file, and if it gives you access, and you can use this file to open to this stock menu. Then you can click on go to application to open up this WordPress access menu we see here. So now that it's opened this for you, you need to click on access WordPress. So when you click on it, will load up your first page for you, and you can start on developing your website from there. So now it opens up this template for us. So this is our sample page, and this is our new, so our name shows here our new website. When you click on it, will load up and it will bring you back. So this is our new website now, and we can start editing and making changes. So um, as an administrator, you can log on to the backside and you can make changes at the back end. So in this video, we're going to look at how to edit our template and how to add some cool features and make our website looks cool. So stay tuned and let's look at how our template is going to look at by adding new and amazing looks.